In this video, we are going to show you how to log out of Zendesk. If you are done for the day and you are the type of person who logs out of every account that they use, even if it's your own work computer or office computer, even home computer, and you want to log out of Zendesk, it's quite simple. You want to hover your mouse here on the upper right corner. It says your name, right? So click on this pop-up will appear. This is where you see your status, so whether online, away, transfers only, offline. Manage profile, appearance, help, keyboard shortcuts, and at the very bottom, this is where you click sign out if you want to sign out of your Zendesk account. So to do that, just click on sign out like so. It's going to log us out of our account. It's going to bring us to this page again. So all we need to do to sign in is just, go type in our email or password, or if you just go open zendesk.com, right? So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.